Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to back up contact to Google Drive on Infinix Smart 8 easily. Alright guys, so do you know that one way to secure your contacts so that if they are lost, they can be found again is to save them to your Google Drive, because even if you change the cell phone, the number in the contact will remain on your Google Drive. And how to do that is quite easy. Now go to Calls menu and go to Contact. And after that, now we can go to Settings. And then here you can go to Import or Export Contacts. So now you can click for Export Contacts. And choose export to VCF file, and after that you can click save. So yeah, the contact will save to your device. Okay, now after that open Google Drive on your phone, and now after that you can upload VCF contact file that you have export before, like this. So yeah, wait until the upload is done like this. And now we can go back to the contact menu. So even if I delete the contacts, we can restore them using the contacts that we have uploaded in Google Drive. Okay, now I will try to delete them. And now to restore them, we can go back again to Google Drive. So yeah, now you can click and then wait for a little bit, and then you can save imported contacts to phone contact. So now let's open again the contact menu, and the contact that I deleted before has returned, guys. So yeah, here's the tutorial on how to back up contacts to Google Drive on Infinix Smart 8, and thank you so much for watching.